Hi, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Olivia.
And
we're gonna do the popcorn challenge.
Food challenge. And we just got done doing the cinnamon challenge and the lemon challenge. And you say the rules.
So in 1 minute we try to shove as much popcorn as we can in our mouths, and whoever doesn't get the most has to drink lemon juice.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be all good.
Yeah. And we have 1 minute. We're just gonna use a stopwatch.
On her phone.
And then so who's gonna press play?
Okay.
Hold on, I gotta get ready. Ready?
And go.
Go.
Okay.
It's done.
Okay.
That one's good. Okay. Let's look at the little measurements. Olivia. I got it up my nose. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
What on my nose?
You wanna see my cute doggy?
Okay.
Drink it up, Lissa.
I need some water first. Oh. What?
React.
Olivia just told me to react. Well, my eyes are watery if anybody can see.
Drink some more.
I ain't drinking more.
We totally failed on the punishment thingy. Because that didn't do anything to her.
It's actually pretty good. I might drink some more. Well, it's been 4 minutes, and
We kind of went over, so
Yeah.
it's like 1 minute
Sorry.
and 30 seconds.
But well, we're just gonna make some more videos. We hope for a while.
Well, in a little bit, we'll do the cinnamon challenge.
Yeah. So we'll just hopefully get them posted. Maybe tonight, and maybe tomorrow. Maybe not until a little while. But we'll just have to see, and how much we have to edit and stuff. So we'll let you know. So thanks for watching. Bye.